Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today's video is a quick look at what's in Kirkland's for Christmas 2024, okay? So you guys, they have some really pretty Christmas decorations. I love the little variety that they had. Kirkland's isn't like a huge store, but to say that they aren't like really huge, they had a lot that you could choose from as far as Christmas decoration. I mean, look how pretty those bows are, okay? I loved it, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick glance at what they have coming out. It's kind of like a first look or a sneak peek because the store that I went to, they don't have everything out yet. They were like actively putting stuff out, but why not show you guys early so that you can, you know, at least know to go there and start looking around to see what they have. So yeah, I'll pop back in with you guys in just a sec. Now, how cute are those ornaments with the initials? I've seen some at other stores, but you guys, these ones at Kirkland's, they might be like the cutest ones so far, okay? Just saying. And I also just want to note, if you watch this video within the first few days of it coming out, what is today? I think so. Today is October the 6th. You guys, they are having a customer appreciation sale right now. So they had stuff that was like extra 25% off. Some stuff was even more than that. So definitely check them out if you're watching this early. See guys, I told you today's video would be a quick look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell so that you're notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, go ahead and subscribe because we're still in Shoptober right now, okay? So that means a new video every day for the month of October. So I definitely want to have you here and want to make sure that you don't miss out on these deals. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.